Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Verasity. On 21st of June, I shared an idea for my members at the Patreon that the price line of Verasity has completed a very big bullish reversal harmonic bat pattern, and from here we can expect a big bullish reversal move. And I also shared this idea with you as well in the form of video. First, let me to show you this idea, and then I'll take you to the live chart to show you what the price line can do next. And this was a chart. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis at the Patreon. And if you would like to support me here, then I have also shared the link to join me here in the video's description. Now, I'm just going to open this chart. This is the link for this idea. And you can see that at that time, the price action was just entered the buying zone. And I told my members that we are also having very nice support of 50 simple moving average. And we also have a very a strong and key level support of 1 cent. Therefore, we can use the 1 cent as our stop loss, and the 50 simple moving average that is approximately at the same level where we have the 1 cent. And now I'm just going to play this chart, and you can see that the price line moved down and tested the 50 simple moving average here, and also the 1 cent support as well, and moved towards the upside. And this is more than 140% rally so far, and now the price line is very close to hit these sell targets. And as per the Fibonacci sequence, the sell targets which I shared with you were from 2.55 cents and goes up to 4.5 cents. Now, if we move to the live weekly time frame chart, then previously we have seen that the price action tested this 50 simple moving average support, and we also had another resistance of 25 simple moving average on the weekly time frame. And now you can see, after testing this 50 simple moving average on this weekly time frame, now the price line is breaking out this very strong resistance of 25 simple moving average. Once we will have the closing above this 25 simple moving average, that will be a very big achievement, and both the 50 and 25 simple moving averages on the weekly time frame will be breaking as a strong support for the price line, and we can have a long-term rally above these two simple moving averages on the long-term weekly time frame chart. Now, if we take a look at the different support and resistance levels on the same weekly time frame chart, these are the major support and resistance levels I'm showing you. It is also possible that on the smaller time frame, like on the hourly or on the daily time frames, we will have some other resistance or support levels as well, but I'm showing you on the weekly time frame. First, we had this key level support. As I've been telling you in my previous videos, that we have a very strong key level support of 1 cent, and from here we can have a powerful bullish reversal, because when the price line reverses bullish from the key level supports, then it can turn very strong bullish. And we are witnessing that after getting reversed from this key level support, we are having a very powerful rally towards the upside, even on the long-term weekly time frame as well. Now we can see that here the price line first formed a double bottom on this 1 cent key level support and broke out the next resistance of 2 cents. Then we have the next resistance at 2.5. This 2.5 cents can be a strong resistance, because here it has been breaking as a resistance, and here it has been breaking as a support, and here it has already worked as a resistance. And now you can see that the price line is moving towards this very strong resistance of 2.5 cents, and the next resistance will be at 3.5 cents. That can also work as a strong resistance, because previously it had been working as a support here and as a support here as well, and here it has been breaking as a resistance on this weekly time frame chart. Then the next resistance of 4 cents, that can be also very strong resistance, because here for 3 weeks it has been breaking as a resistance, and almost for 2 weeks it has been breaking as a support as well. And then we will have the final resistance at 5.5 cents, and we have a very big bullish reversal pattern this very big bullish reversal harmonic bat pattern, and a price line is getting reversed bullish from this buying zone of a big pattern. Therefore, I'm expecting that this time the price line can hit this final resistance of 5.5 cents, because we have a very powerful bullish reversal pattern and a bullish reversal move as well. Now, if we take a look at the different simple moving averages on the daily time frame, then we can see that this 50 simple, first of all, you can see that this 25 simple moving average is moving up, and it has formed a bull cross with 100 simple moving average, and then 25 is moving up to cross the 200 simple moving average as well. And I am waiting for this 50 simple moving average to cross up this 200 simple moving average. That will be a real golden cross, and then this golden cross can work as a very strong support for the price action. Like previously, it has been working as a strong support for the price line, like we had the golden cross here. And if we watch the volume on this daily time frame, that we also have a nice buying volume as well. You can see that we have a nice volume, and I've also placed a volume oscillator. That is a very useful indicator to measure the power of buying or selling, volume based. And here we can see that you can watch the values of this oscillator here. You can see previously we had the buying volume with the value of 25.78, and recently it has again triggered with the value of 16. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame, then this oscillator previously, let me show you the weekly time frame. Here I have placed this volume oscillator, and you can see that previously it was in the negative territory, and it has just now entered the positive territory. You can watch the values here. It has just entered the positive territory, and once it will be moved more up, then even on the weekly time frame we can have a very a long-term strong move towards the upside. So we should need to watch this volume oscillator on the weekly time frame, even though it has triggered with the powerful buying volume buying volumes value on the daily time frame. But we need to watch on the weekly time frame as well. And if we take a look at the oscillators, then oscillators are very strong bullish. You can see that the stochastic was oversold here. Now it has given the buying here and turned very strong bullish, and RSI has also turned bullish as well. But for any kind of big move, we need to watch out for the upcoming resistance levels. Like this is very important resistance. The price line is going to 2.5 cent resistance to break it out, and another resistance that the price line is trying to break out is the 25 simple moving average. I hope that once we will have the closing above the 25 simple moving average on the weekly time frame, it can easily break out the next resistance of 2.5 cents as well. So let's see what will happen in the future. I'll definitely post an update on the move of the VRA again. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon. I've shared the link to join me here in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.